All right, readers, so we just had a nice independent block where we went and we read and we did our thinking, and I'm noticing that a lot of you brought some books here with your thinking on it. So what I asked you to do today while you were reading independently was look at the details of the pictures, look at what the character is doing and saying, and tell me why. And if you wanted to go to that top level of our mountain, what were you supposed to do? Infer, where we take our schema, hold on one second, where we take our schema and we take the text evidence to tell us what the author didn't tell us, right? We'll take a really good guess. All right, so here's what I want you to do. I'm going to give you just 2 minutes to share your favorite sticky, because I know some of you have more than one, with our partners, okay? And then we're going to come back and we're going to share, and we're going to see where we are in the mountain today. Are you ready? All right, readers, let's have, if you have longer hair, you're going to go first. So go ahead and turn your partner, turn and talk, and go. Okay, just make sure everyone turns and talks. Rylan, remember you are with my friend Laura? Rylan, where's your text? Where's your text? All right. That's okay, I want you to be with me. So tell me about your mistakes. No, you didn't tell us that. Because. Okay, why do you think the author's coming back to your friend? You know why? I think between the 3 and the 4 because you think how it goes. Not at all. Also, just 1 minute. Yep. Okay. First try. Show me what character you're talking about, Brandon. Make sure you're a good listener with Laura. How are they feeling? Oh, why are they excited? Okay, so I see that you're using text evidence. It tells us all that means. So if you were to look at yourself on the mountain, where would you be at today? You used text evidence, and you told me how they were feeling. So that would be a 3, right? All right, try to finish up both people talking, and then turn back to me. Do you mind sharing? Serious, okay? All right. All right, readers, thank you so much for sharing. I heard some amazing conversations. We're all not going to be able to share out, but I do want to pick just a few of you because I want you to see where you are on our mountain today. So tomorrow, Brody, when we do this, you can try to set a higher goal for yourself. If you got a 2 today, maybe tomorrow you can strive for a 3. Or if you already got a 3 today, could you strive for a 4 tomorrow? And if you already got a 4 today, could you keep going for that top of the mountain tomorrow? Yeah. Sure could. All right. You can do it. Can you be very serious though? Okay, very responsible, Cadence, and share your thinking with us. Nice and loud. Nope. Read your thinking, what you have. Oh, I'm sorry. I need good listeners. Brody? Thank you. Rylan, got our listening ears on? Lex? All right. Cadence is our star right now. Read it nice and loud.
Elephant is feeling bad for his friend.
Because?
Because he thinks he can't stand.
Okay, so Brody, is that what we do with our stickies? No. So it says, yes, we keep them in our text. It says, elephant is feeling bad for his friend because he is thinking he can't dance. Can I share this real quick? One second. second, Cadence. Did the author tell us anything about feeling bad for his friend, or did you have to infer how he was feeling? He didn't, but did the author give us this part? So, no. So where would you think you would be on the mountain? I agree. I think she's between the 3 and the 4. She's starting to infer, but she doesn't quite have it yet. But she's definitely above looking just at the text. She's also using her schema. So she is right in the middle there. Nice work, Cadence. Can I please have Germani? Will you please share your thinking with us? Lexi, can you sit down? Mom is stressed, which I love that word, because the dinosaur is yelling. So did it tell us any of that in the story, or did you have to infer, or how did that work? You inferred? Tell me how you inferred. How did you come up with the word stress? You thought of it? How do you know that when someone's yelling at someone, they're stressed? I'm talking to Mr. Money. Does mom yell at you sometimes? No? My mom used to yell at me sometimes. And I could, and she could, Cadence, it's my turn. Thank you. I know your mom yells at you. Do you think mom's stressed when she yells at you? Yep. So we know that when someone is yelling at you, you feel kind of stressed. The author didn't tell us that, Germani. So where would you be on our mountain today? The 4. Awesome job. All right, Martin, can you share the thinking with us?
The raccoon is sad because he's crying.
The raccoon is sad because he's crying. Did you have to infer anything there, or did you look at all the details and the characters' actions and what they're saying to figure that out? Yeah. So where would you be on the mountain today?
The 4. The 3.
The 3. You're exactly the 3. You told me how you're using the illustrations, you're using the details, and tell me why. Nice work. Everyone, I'm so sorry. Give yourselves, kiss your smart brain today. I loved the work. Tomorrow, can we set a goal for ourselves? I'm going to collect your stickies, Lexi. I'm going to collect your stickies today and go through them. So tomorrow when I come back, I'm going to be able to see how we can push our thinking even further. Sound good? All right. Thank you, readers.
I'm taking these off.